Here's what moved markets today. US equity markets reached new record levels, with major indices advancing despite oil prices remaining elevated and ongoing geopolitical tensions. Risk sentiment remained constructive across traditional markets, even as uncertainty persists in energy markets and regional conflicts. Bitcoin rose above $80,000, with the move occurring during a period of sustained ETF product inflows, institutional participation, and forced liquidations of leveraged short positions. The price advance coincided with multiple supportive factors across regulated investment vehicles and derivatives markets. Corporate treasury holder strategy disclosed a pause in Bitcoin acquisition activity, while the Ethereum Foundation sold ETH to mining company BitMine, which continues its accumulation strategy. The transaction represents Foundation treasury management coinciding with corporate buyer demand. A Taiwanese legislator proposed allocating a portion of the nation's $602 billion foreign exchange reserves into Bitcoin, according to reports. The proposal represents emerging discussion around sovereign digital asset allocation within traditional reserve management frameworks. Privacy protocol Zcash recorded a 20% gain over the past week and approximately 80% appreciation over the past month, outperforming most other protocols during the period. The price performance reflects concentrated buying interest in privacy-focused blockchain infrastructure. The Ethereum network processed its 25 millionth block, marking nearly 11 years of continuous operation since the platform's 2015 launch. The milestone represents sustained proof-of-stake validation and network uptime across the blockchain's operational history. Looking at this morning's price action, as of 10:10 Central European Time, the market shows extreme divergence. ZK Sync up 11.95%, Ondo adding 10.85%, and Zcash gaining 7.15%. Double-digit strength across Layer 2 scaling, tokenized real-world assets, and privacy protocols. On the downside, Baby Doge experiences severe selling at 33.60%, while Swarm off 2.77%, and Algorand declining 2.40%. The meme token collapse dominates losses, with other decliners showing only modest weakness. The asymmetry reflects concentrated distress in speculative tokens, while the broader market remains stable. The pattern shows selective strength in infrastructure protocols, alongside catastrophic meme token weakness rather than broad market direction. Conditions suggest risk appetite for fundamental protocols persists, even as speculative positioning unwinds dramatically, with the 33% single-name decline representing outlier behavior rather than systemic stress. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index declines to 47, pulling back from the 61 peak reached on April 22nd and returning to the middle of neutral territory. The retreat reflects market reaction to today's extreme volatility, particularly the catastrophic 33% collapse in Babylon, which appears to have materially impacted overall sentiment despite broader market stability. The index has retraced from greed, 61, through the lower neutral range over the past 10 days, gradually declining through the high 50s into the mid-40s. Today's reading at 47 continues the downward trajectory that began after briefly touching greed territory, with the pullback accelerating following today's severe single protocol collapse. The decline from 61 to 47 over this period raises questions about the durability of improved sentiment, with the index giving back the gains that pushed it into greed. Market psychology shows continued fragility despite constructive macro conditions, Bitcoin above $80,000 and record equity levels, suggesting participants remain quick to revert toward defensive positioning when faced with extreme volatility events.